So you got hurt at work, have been getting treatment and receiving weekly checks, and now the insurance company wants you to settle your case. Are workers' comp benefits paid to you taxable? That's what we're going to discuss in this video. If you find it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. The short answer is generally no, work comp benefits are not taxable. When you receive weekly checks from the work comp insurance company, those checks are not taxable. Likewise, if you settle your case in exchange for a single lump sum amount of money, that money is generally not taxable either. However, I recommend that you speak with an accountant or CPA and make them aware of any work comp benefits or settlements you have received so they can advise you appropriately. Having said this, what happens if your doctor has you on light duty work restrictions and your employer has returned you back to work working for them under those restrictions? What happens then? If you're working for the employer under light duty work restrictions and your wages are below a certain level, you'll be getting checks both from the employer for the work you perform as well as separate checks from the insurance company. The checks from the employer are considered wages and are taxable, but the checks from the insurance company aren't. Additionally, oftentimes, settlement of your case will include what we call a general release. The amount paid for that general release is typically minimal, say $100. That is taxable, and you should definitely tell your accountant or CPA about that. The most complicated scenario is when an injured worker is receiving not only workers' comp benefits, but also Social Security benefits, which could be SSDI or SSI benefits. You can't collect more than 80% of what is called your average current earnings between workers' comp and Social Security. If Social Security reduces what they owe you to bring you down to that 80% threshold, the amount they reduce your checks by is taxable. Taxes are complicated. That's why Einstein supposedly said the hardest thing in the world to understand is the income tax. The good news is your weekly workers' comp checks and settlement are generally not taxable. I highly recommend that you discuss any work comp benefits or settlements you receive with your accountant or CPA so they can advise you accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can find us online at bdtlawfirm.com, making workers' comp work for you.